Fish on.
Love that.
Nice.
Before I start this video, I wanted to give a shout out to a Noah and Justin McLean. It was very nice meeting your family out there on the river, and I hope you all enjoy this video as much as I did making it and fishing. And also a shout out to the two young boys that gave me a moon pie lunch cake before I went fishing. That was pretty cool of you all, and it hit the spot because I hadn't had breakfast. But yeah, I know I've been just posting river video after river video, but it's been so crazy trying to get any time to fish here recently, especially with the weather. And when that river gets right, it's so close to my house, I've got to hit it. And, you know, it's just 6 minutes from my house, and it's got potential for all kinds of fish in it. Anyways, I want to let you all know that I do have a boat now, and I'll probably give you all a little tour of that boat at some point, but look forward to more boat videos. I've got a trolling motor, a couple fish finders. I'm going to set it up for trolling, so striper, walleye, muskie, catfish. I'm gonna try to diversify this year and get some more waters under my belt now that I've got a boat. But thanks for tuning in, you all. I put in at the boat ramp below Cave Run and just fished with the shaky head, and I finally got a swim bait bass. Well, I call it a swim bait. It's a soft plastic jerk bait. So I'm looking forward to getting more comfortable with that technique this year. But Happy New Year to you all, and enjoy the vid.
Now, I wanted to go on downstream, but it's supposed to rain later, and the ramp I was going to use is just going to be really hard to get in out of the rain. But I'm going to go downstream a little bit farther today. Going to be using shaky head, Ned rig, swim bait, and muskie fishing. Found a big hole in my waders just now, so that's not cool. But got plenty of time to fishing in the river here. Start out with a tried and true shaky head. It's gonna get cold later. Gotcha. What is that? Little sauger. Little sauger. Is that a walleye? Can't tell. Little guy. Look at the sauger. I don't know. That's a start, is what that is. Using a different head today. That's by VMC. It's got the like an offset worm hook right there on it. Hopefully that'll increase my hookup ratio. Bigger, sharper hook with a gap on it. Oh, bass, where you at? Yeah, that was a fish. Didn't even know it. Oh, there it is again. Gosh, that was a nice bass. Saw that one. You have it again? He did. Got it. That bass won't quit biting, so I won't quit throwing to it. Okay, gotcha. I got you. Come here. Gorgeous bass. Gorgeous bass. Look at the colors on that fish. Something picked it up. Not a bass. Barely hooked him. Watch them come up and eat that one. So they are on fire today. The bass are super active today. Actually, everything's super active today. There's a good chance I'm gonna catch a lot of fish. I've already caught a lot of fish. I'm just excited right now. So I'm letting those two boats get further down behind me before I go too far. I don't want them to feel like I'm fishing right on top of them. That's what I'm using right there. The NC rugby jig. Oh, gotcha. I gotcha. I wonder if that's the big one that kept getting off. I don't know why I'm trying to lift this dude. Nice. Tell you what, folks, try the shaky head in December in your creek or river. That's a nice fish. There you go. See you later, dude. These fish are definitely relating to these like crisscross logs next to drop-offs. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today for bass. Try this swim bait, some swim bait territory. Oh God. Came up and just nailed that. May have to put some weight on this. We'll see. Gotcha. Knew there had to be a fish there. There it is. Okay. That was a fish. Gotcha. I gotcha. Come here. Come here. Man, you guys are finicky. Freaking just picking up the bait and dropping it, picking up the bait and dropping it. Wintertime bass is just a whole nother game. Let's go downstream. This might not be good. Finally, we are where I want to be. I'm gonna get a drink of water first. I always forget to drink water. I'm making the choice to not go further downstream. Looks like the weather's starting to blow in. I know it's supposed to rain pretty bad tonight. So this is far downstream as I'm going, so I'm gonna start making my way back upstream, just in case it comes down on me pretty hard, and also just in case they decide to let that dam out. Man. Oh boy. Oh man, that's a nice smallmouth. I thought I was hung. I was like, well, I'm gonna paddle over to it. Oh man, that's a very nice smallmouth. That's a, whoa man, that's a nice smallie. Hadn't caught anything in hours. Hours. Where you been, baby? Where have you been? Now it's been a minute since I caught a river smallmouth, and that is a beautiful river smallmouth. Nice. Go back in there, baby. Been waiting on that dude for a while. I literally set the hook on that and it felt like it was just hung. So I was like, well, I'll go ahead and paddle over to it. And it was still on there, it was just moving, it was down deep. That was pretty cool. Now I'm gonna figure out where all the holes are in my hip waders. Should be great fun. I know it's more shallow on this side going up. That's some current though, I tell you. Starting to rain, which sucks. I think it's probably low enough where I can paddle. Start paddling. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think at this point I'm just gonna get out. It's a workout wearing all these clothes. Something just followed that down, I think. scaring the crap out of me. Ah! I thought that felt like a fish. He's got it again. I'm gonna let him take it. Ah! Get off there. Oh, what a spotted bass. What a spotted bass. What a spotted bass. Oh my gosh, what a spotted bass. That's the biggest one of those I've caught in a while. Son. That's a nice spotted bass. Man alive. It's getting dark on me again, but I'm in the stretch of water I want to be on right before time to go, so let's get to it. I can't believe what a nice spotted bass that was. Sheesh. Sun's coming out. Ooh. Does he have it? He's still on there. I feel him pumping. Oh man. I feel him pumping. I'm bringing in all the weeds with him. Nice. Yes. That is, I believe, my first swimbait bass while trying for him. Thought he's a lot bigger because of, well, because of all the daggone weeds I was bringing in. Man, that was fun. That was fun. Hey, Happy New Year's, you all. I wanted to get out here and catch some fish for y'all, and that happened. I caught several species, I caught 3 different kinds of bass, walleye or sauger. I don't know which, I think it was a sauger. Had a great day out on the water, and that's all I really wanted to do anyways, was just come out here and have a good day on the water and record it for you all. So I'm gonna keep fishing, but it's getting too dark to film. But hope y'all have a Happy New Year's, and looking forward to fishing with you all another year and just sharing in all the fun. Thanks for watching.